Okay. After the valve job, this engine is running, finally. So it's time to put the governor back together, and that means tiny screw time. I'll grab my itty-bitty screwdriver and the weights here. Put these in one at a time, and there's a teardrop shape to this, and that teardrop goes up because that's the lever action that lifts the plate on the governor. So that'll actually, oh, that's sticking in there. Cool. This is going really easily. The pin is just going right in there, and it started really easily, so I can just finger tight with this bit instead of needing any leverage. Cool. This is a very quick one, and my roommate is running the Instant Pot, so apparently whatever's in the Instant Pot is complete now. So there we go. There's the second pin. Alright, now perfect, and I'll just turn this around to where the valve is open, and those are flipping just fine, and the detent here is moving well, so that's good. And let's see. There is about where the governor balls are, so that detent is out and interfering with the valve. So that is going to be good. It won't swing so far out, because remember, the modification I made to put this extra piece in there was because the original convex section here against those meant that the governor balls had to swing out so far they were striking the side of the engine over there. And putting this flat/concave plastic washer that I made out of the pill bottle bottom on there means that the governor weights don't have to move as far. It also should slow the engine down quite a bit. So and the compression is quite a bit nicer than it had before. Like, it had some compression before I did the valve job, but it did not snap nearly this well. So yeah, that's a nice snap now with a good seal. Tap and rotate that valve, and it still holds really nice. Fantastic. Alright, well, the governor's back together, and so after that governor modification and that valve job, hopefully, fingers crossed, we get to run this governed next time.